What's good, Energy Squad? It's a girl, Matli, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, my name is Thato, like I said earlier on, and this is the Energy Squad abode. Okay, so today I'm not alone. I know you guys know I'm not alone because the title gave it all away. I'm with the amazing Samane.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for having me.
Like, how are you?
I'm super excited. I'm over the moon.
Right.
I'm so happy to be here. This is such an honor.
Right.
Like, it's such an honor.
I'm glad.
Thank you so much.
So guys, as you know, on this channel, we do not introduce our guests. Our guests introduces themselves. So man, who are you?
My name is Samane and I'm also known by my business name, Miss Yasama herself.
Okay.
And I'm the founder and owner of Yasama Body Care.
All
so
right.
yeah, man, we've been rolling since last year, 2020. And yes, that's when I decided to embark on my journey of actually opening my own business of my, natural beauty cosmetics.
So it's like a new baby.
This is, this baby is super new. You could swear that it's been running for a long time.
Yeah, so because when I went to Instagram, like, no man, this girl is big in the game.
Yeah, man, we have to work hard, guys. We have to get ourselves out there because it's the 21st century. Opportunities are out there, and you just have to go out there and get them. Yeah.
So let's start from the beginning, right? You said you have a body product.
Yes.
Skin product.
So basically, Yasama Body Care is, inclusive of premium products, everyday use products that are also created. So it's basically bringing in an at-home spa experience for people. I mean, it's COVID-19.
You can't even go to a spa.
So yeah, we are bringing the spa experience back home, and just to ensure that people are, enjoying their spaces, making sure that they're enjoying the products that they're using, and of course we want to bring in the quality, we want to bring in the goodness. So that's the reason why I created these products.
Wait, you have flawless skin.
Girl,
you have flawless skin.
Do not start.
Nah, I'm sure it has not always been like this, which is the inspiration behind your skin products.
Yes, definitely.
Take us back to when you had skin problems.
So as a teenager, I really had problematic skin. I was suffering from eczema, really badly. Nothing was working for me. And I just really had to take it upon myself. I mean, unfortunately, it took some time.
Obviously.
But it's not unfortunate because it actually gave me also, a nice period to actually work on my products and say, you know what, nothing is working for me. I've looked everywhere. And I've always been a lover of natural products because I've created my own remedies at home. So yeah, and I said to myself, I was even in China. I was living in China for some time, and with the Chinese people, they always use products that that are skin lightening, and I couldn't, I really couldn't settle with that quite well. So when I came back home, I was like, you know what, this is exactly what I'm going to do. And I met up with one of the most reliable manufacturers who are helping me to develop the product, who are helping me to ensure that we actually get the right outcome. So that's what really inspired my product, and they work for me. So this is a gift for myself to anyone out there who is willing to use it. And my friends were like, no, let's try out your product. And little my product now is actually it's doing quite well.
So is it only for skin or for hair as well?
So there's a variety of products that I have, right? So we have the glycerine soap, the Yasama glycerine soap. So we have the unscented version. The unscented version is actually, it's suitable for babies. We made it for sensitive skin. If you have skin irritation, if you have eczema, dry skin, it is able to replenish.
Can it help with oily skin? Because
definitely.
I have the oiliest skin.
It does. Ever. I mean, this line is a versatile line, right? So it is able to, correct the balance on your skin as well. It's helped a lot of people with acne as well, funny enough. I didn't, this product actually, it surprised me in so many ways. Because, when you're developing it, you don't really know whether it's going to work. It's like, oh my gosh, this is my first time.
I'm so scared.
But, the results were absolutely amazing. I mean, we were working towards a 90% success rate, and it actually surpassed that.
Really?
It did. It
So-
surpassed that. Literally.
So you got like more than 80% success.
More than 90% success.
Wow.
Literally. So
And
yeah.
it's like 2 months old.
Okay, 3 months now.
3 months now.
Yeah,
Like
3 months now.
imagine.
Been in the game, and you know, even with the reviews, I always ask,
Your
you know, my
customers.
customers on WhatsApp, guys, can you just tell me how this product is working for you? And of course, you want to follow up
Yes,
with your
definitely.
clients because you're trying to also
Because
build
there's
that
always room
relationship.
for like improvement as well.
There's room for improvement. So even with my facial cream, I had to go back to the drawing board because there was a customer of mine with really sensitive skin, probably even more sensitive than mine. And it's a guy. He was like, no, sisters, kopa o untuse tu because ntho yanchesa.
Oh.
I was like, ya go chesa. I
And
mean,
he's the first person.
this cream is supposed to do the opposite. It's supposed to, you know,
calm
feel
you down.
good. It's supposed to
make you smoother.
And I was devastated, but I mean, I just thought to myself, you know what? I really need to now go back to the customer, apologize, and give it my all,
And
and
try
say,
something else.
yo, I had to really go back to the drawing board. Even spoke to my team and said, guys, let us rectify this. And of course, they had to go back, check the products again, you know, just to review everything once again. And yeah, I went back to the customer, gave him the same product, but now it was improved, now according to what he was complaining about. And we were able to rectify that. So that is the whole point. The whole point is to get better and to improve.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
nice. So tell us, what exactly is in these products? What do you have? What do you make the product out of?
So the most dominant ingredient,
Yes.
right, in my product is herbs. There's different types of herbs, such as lavender, such as calendula, St. John's wort, and more. So,
like
yeah.
lavender.
My goodness, it's absolutely
Yeah.
divine. So with my oil, it's created in such a way that it is versatile and easy to use. So what it is used for is obviously your body, and some people have used it on their face at night. You know, you need to actually try and understand how the products will work for you, because sometimes people use it, the oil, while they're running their bath, and they they soak in the oil. So you can use it in a creative way, like make it yours.
The way it works for you.
Yeah, but we obviously do have standard instructions on how to use the product as well. So yes, as I was saying, so the ingredients is herbs. So what we do is a hot oil infusion. So what we do is we use a carrier oil, and then all these herbs that I'm talking about, we put them in the oil, and it marinates. Those herbs literally marinate in the oil to extract the essential, you know, nutrients that we are looking for to benefit the skin. And then yes, so as I was saying, the oil is versatile. You use it for your hair.
Okay.
Men have come in to use it for their beard as well. And that's how, you know, this oil is amazing. It smells divine.
I can imagine.
It's a light oil, which means that you can't even feel it.
It's not heavy on the skin.
You can't even feel it because, you know, it just goes in the skin. The skin can absorb it so well. So yeah, and then secondly, we have a body scrub.
Okay.
Which is actually my personal best.
So this is the oil.
That's the oil, yeah. That is the oil.
So cute also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yes, we have the oil, and then we have the body scrub. So as I was saying, this is my personal best. It actually comes with a spoon, a spoon as well to scoop it out. Yeah, so I've seen a lot of women put it on, like at the side, on the side of their bathtub. So it's always ready.
It's always there, just for assistance.
Yeah, so what's in here is all natural things.
Okay.
So obviously there is a carrier oil as well, so that when you scrub, it leaves a visible line of hydration from the oil that's in there. And yeah, we've got coffee bean. That is also my
coffee, like
yeah,
coffee beans.
Coffee bean crushed, so that, you know, we are able to release certain exfoliating properties. We also have linseed flaxseed. You guys need to go and
And
check
research
out
these.
what flaxseed can actually do. So you can imagine now, if you have this for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, the more it stays, right? The more the flax seeds are able to release certain certain benefits from the
So the
actual
longer
seed.
it stays, the more beneficial it is for your skin.
And that's why we make sure that we produce more so that they're able to stay. And then because these things are flying, like
the flame of the shelf,
they are selling, so you can only imagine that now we have to produce even more prior to whenever now customers do buy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the body scrub. Scrubs are super hard to find, guys.
And I've never used a scrub before. It's gonna be my first time using a scrub.
It's you know, you need to ask yourself, how else do we rectify our skin? How else do we soothe our skin? You know, we need to help it also for circulation purposes.
Yeah.
To ensure that you unclog your pores as well. I mean,
you
have to
put on makeup.
Yes.
And that's like
I always even tell ladies, even for makeup, this range is absolute wonders because it repairs. I mean, I don't wear makeup because unfortunately my skin doesn't allow me to. It's actually a treat. Not that I don't wear makeup at all, it's a treat for me.
It's like once in a while.
But yeah, so I don't have a choice but to use my own products to ensure that I maintain my skin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And yes, so the last but not least, we have our 2 soaps.
Okay.
The glycerine soap with coffee bean.
Also
and
coffee
it's
bean.
Gently scented. Yeah, the coffee one is gently scented. And then we have the plain one, which is not scented. There's no fragrance at all.
So this one is suitable for kids?
This one is suitable for babies.
Okay.
Definitely it's safe to use on babies. In fact, it's super successful because, you know, babies with eczema, sometimes, you know, they are born with eczema, they are born with dry skin. So this has it has helped them so much.
Okay.
To actually heal their skin as well. So yeah, my products, as much as I'm creating an experience of an at-home spa, I also want to make sure that, you know, the skin benefits out of that as well. Yeah. So
where do you get the products? Is someone sitting at home thinking, I need Yasama?
Oh my goodness. Guys, Yasama is out there. You can check me out, well, not me, but my business out on the following social media platforms. So on Facebook, it is Yasama Body Care. Okay. So it's just Yasama Body Care.
It's Y-A space
Y-A space S-A-M-A space Body Care. Right? And then on Instagram, it's Yasama_Body Care. And of course, you can send us an email on yasama.bodycare@gmail.com. And yeah, those are the main platforms that you can find us at. And of course, if you want to place your order, our number is there. It's displayed. On your social media, it's displayed on social media, so it's WhatsApp and calls also. It's 081-377-0816. That is 081-377-0816. That's where they can reach us.
Thank you so much for allowing me.
Oh my gosh, this is really such an honor.
Right.
Yeah, it's actually my first time doing this. So
how was that?
I just broke my YouTube virginity. I just broke my YouTube virginity.
How was the journey for you? How was the interview for you, man?
Oh my gosh, man, I cannot begin to tell you. It was a bit nerve-wracking because I was like, oh my gosh, it's my first time. I hope I don't say anything stupid. I hope I don't mess it up. I think I messed it up.
No, you didn't.
A bit, but yeah, there's room for improvement.
All the time.
You'll probably see me again here.
Definitely.
On a different level.
Definitely. Like 5 years later.
5 years later, you know, 5-year goals.
You know?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me, Thato.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like, remember, you need to support African businesses. We need to support our Black sisters. You know, this product. I'm gonna do a review on my Instagram. I wanna like try the products for 2 weeks, show you the before and after on my Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram at Thato Matli, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. And then yeah, man, just don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do the right thing.
And I have a little something for you before we close, right? First of all, I mean, I
Wow.
cannot be on this platform and not give you something.
You want to make me cry?
Cry. I want to see those tears because, wow,
I'm not.
opulence at its best.
Oh
So
my God.
this is just a little thank you from me and a token of appreciation for having me on your platform. And yeah, I hope you really enjoy these products.
So
And
these are your products.
These are, you can show the people what's in there.
You guys,
It's the main.
it's the main, it's what we saw
Yeah.
just now.
So that's the oil.
This is the oil.
Yes.
Oh my God. And the soap, the non-scented soap.
It's an unscented soap.
Oh my gosh. And also the scrub.
Yes.
I think mine is open.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry about
No,
that.
hair color yellow.
Oh, okay. Awesome, awesome,
And the
awesome.
scrub. And this is my first time ever. Like 3 years of living, it's my first time using a scrub. Okay. So definitely, I'm gonna do like a review on Instagram in a few weeks' time. Thank you. But you don't know what
You
you're
have to.
like. One month, hello by 4.
Yeah, so people just need to also look out for the hashtag glow and hydrate, hashtag glow for the season. That is under the summer brand. So we're promoting glow and hydration.
Ne-
That's what we're doing here. Glow for the season.
Glow for yourself, baby.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
I've
you.
never received like things like new year, new me. You see? You
2021
see?
vibes.
Thank you so much.
Right.
This is
My
so
pleasure.
love, ne? Don't forget, guys, like, share, subscribe, follow Yasama on Instagram. I'll put the links down below. Like, I promise you guys won't forget. I'll put the links down below for you to follow. Alrighty, bye.